How to copy and paste on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy and paste on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're on your account. Then what you can do is you can head over to wherever you want. So just go to any place where you want to copy from. And let's say that I want to copy this link right here. So what I can do is I can long press on the link. There you'll see copy option and copy it. The same goes for any other text. If I long press on the text, I can simply copy it. You'll see the copy option, copy it. Now, since I just copied the text, I can paste this by heading over to the text area of any other, DM or any other group, and then tap on the paste option and then send it. That's and that's really simple, and that's how you do it as well. And that's how you can copy and paste. All you do is long press on whatever you want to copy. So we copy this invitation link and copy it and then paste it wherever I want, like this. So let me just long press on my text area, then tap on paste and then send it like this. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.